Hi everyone, welcome back to Destiny Rocks. I'm still here at the Little Black Mountain Petroglyph site, and I wanted to show you an up-close petroglyph, and this is one of my favorites. It's right by the entrance, and if you can see here, there's two bighorn sheep. Aren't they adorable? And you can really tell what they look like. And here's an example of, if you look down here, this looks like this was another bighorn sheep, but this is what I was talking about in an earlier video, how with weathering and water running through here through time, this gets eroded, and we can start to see the erosion take away this pictograph here. Isn't that cool? But these two are still intact, and those are super cute. So maybe what they were trying to tell was that at one point this was a very good place to come and hunt for bighorn sheep. Pretty neat, huh? I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get to come and see it. Till next time, thanks.